Hello? Hi, what do you want?
This
This midnight snack looks very good. Yeah,
it's like just off of a chain. Like,
I know, that is actually a good idea. That's bad. I don't want to use it on my computer. Don't let me get some snack.
Oh,
Really? Let's get down. Get a snack.
oh wait. I bet you see me, Kermit. What the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck is
Are
right?
you shit?
Really?
Holy shit. Don't get your glasses off. No, seriously, don't get my glasses off. I need to keep entertained myself. Get off! McFitties!
Together we made it.
That is it. Right, what's going on? We have another midnight snack. We just get. Don't you dare throw my phone. But I get this far away. You do not throw my phone onto the floor. That's not nice. Actually, you obviously did it. Ow! Stop it! I bet this is like on my phone. Get some snack. That's it. We're done.